Hey, my loving and beautiful friends. Once again, very warm welcome. I really very warm welcome to all of you in this video. And sorry, actually, I was so thirsty. That's why I'm drinking water because I was really so thirsty. Okay, so I start this video. But before I start this video, I would like to tell you something. This is going to be not only useful, helpful video, but amazing and interesting video as well. You know why? Because in this video we are going to have very good idea, very good knowledge about a very common confusion in English, and by the end of this video 100% you would have idea what kind of word which I am talking about, and by the ending this video you would have a very good clear and correct idea about this confusing word which I am talking about. Okay, so shall I start? Okay, thank you. I start this video. So guys, if you say always, if you keep on using this word which I'm talking about from the morning to the night, and definitely you keep on using this word in your daily regular and daily day-to-day conversation life, and I think so far you would have said so many time in your life. Okay, so and I know you have used and you keep on using this word many times in your day-to-day life. So this is a very common word. This is a most spoken word. This is a very common and most spoken word that we keep on using all time with someone. We keep on using to a stranger, non-person, unknown person. It could be any type of person in our life, but we keep on using this word. And I think we don't know what is the correct mean of this word that we keep on using. Still, we use. Okay, so and in this video we are going to talk about what is the correct meaning. How can we use in correct form in English? Okay, so the word which I'm talking about is okay. Now I start now I start this video. I will not make you wait long, and okay, I start. So the word which I'm talking about is sorry. Okay, and also I'm sorry to make you wait. And guys, actually, yeah, this is a very common and most spoken word in our life. So and we all of us keep on using this word sorry, sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. But guys, friends, let me tell you, this is not a correct form in English. Okay, so instead of saying I'm sorry, I'm sorry, always you have to say, and always you have to use in English like this: please forgive me. Okay, so listen very carefully what I am saying, what I want to make you understand in English for a correct form of English. Instead of saying I am sorry to someone, always you have to say please forgive me. Okay, forgive is the correct word. If you want, you can check Google. Okay, when you check Google, you will find, oh, that person was saying right. Okay, that's why. And guys, got it why I was saying this is amazing interesting video in the beginning of in the beginning this video. That is why I was saying amazing and interesting video. I think maybe you don't know, maybe you know. If you know about this word already, so okay, it is a kind of revision. And if you don't know about this word, so this is an amazing video, right? Got it? That's why I was saying this is amazing interesting video. Okay, so if you keep on using this word, I'm sorry to someone, so please don't say this word, and stop saying from this moment, from today. And always, instead of saying I'm sorry, always keep in your mind, you have to say, you have to use in English that I have told you right now, that is please forgive me, please forgive me, please forgive me. It will be more better instead of saying I am sorry. Okay, and you do not have only this single word, this single line. You have another word, you have one more choice that I am going to give you, that is apologize. Okay, listen carefully, listen with focus what I am saying. Apologize. Okay, so whenever you have to say in Hindi, मुझे माफ कर, मैं आपसे माफी मांगता हूँ, मैं आपसे माफी मांगता हूँ, like this. So you have to say in English, I apologize to you. Okay, in Hindi वो आपसे माफी मांगेगा, don't worry, वो आपसे माफी मांगेगा. So you should say, and you can say in English like this: he will apologize to you. Okay, so apologize is the correct word, and forgive is the correct word, but sorry is not a correct word. Okay, it has a something other mean that I will definitely I'll tell you, and we will discuss about the correct sense of this word sorry, but not in this video, in other video. But in this video we are we are talking about the correct word in Hindi, maafi, and how can we say in English. Okay, so to use this sentence in English, always remember that I said right now that you have two words: apologize, forgive, and whenever you have to say maaf kar de, always you have to say, as I told you right now, please, I apologize to you. And whenever you have to say please maaf kar do, like this in a polite and requesting sense, so you have to say, you can use like this: please forgive me, please forgive me. So it will be more good, it will be more advanced if you will use this word. So I think it will be more good about your English. Okay, so always keep learning. And guys, one more thing, because I'm going to close this video. This is not a long video, I have told you already in the starting of this video. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel right now, so that I can share my every ideas, my English journey, and some ideas, some useful tips and point about English speaking. If you also like English like me, and if you are an English lover like me, so I think according to me, you must subscribe my channel. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe right now. And keep learning, have fun in your life. And if you like this video, so thank you so much, and I will meet you again with any new concept, some useful tips in my next video. And always keep learning. And one more thing, if you know about a very good knowledge, if you are having about a very good grammatical knowledge, but if you are not able to speak English so far, so don't worry, you do not need to worry. Very quickly, very soon, by the grace of my Thakurji, by the grace of God, you will be speaking English. Only you need to keep confidence on yourself. Okay, you have to trust on yourself. Okay, so guys, but only you have to practice daily. And when you will start practicing, so then you will find, oh, now by the slowly you are going to be English speaking person. Okay, so guys, if you don't practice of English, I think you should start from today. Okay, and keep learning. Definitely you will be speaking English very fast, very quickly. And my good wishes for you. And have fun. Love you guys, I love you a lot, and I need your support, I need your love. Please keep me giving you love. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, have masti fun. Bye bye.